Hey, good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for tuning in. This is a short tutorial video on how to use our and work with us as a client and with our new project management system called Karbon. And we're pretty excited about this because this allows us to be more efficient and get information and questions answered from you in a more efficient manner. And so I thought I'd make a quick video just to demonstrate how that looks on your end. And so what I've done is I've created a job for myself, me, Stefan, and I've set myself a couple of tasks I need to do. And this is going to look pretty much the same for you, and that you'll get an email that looks like this to your email inbox. Okay. So in this email, we have a couple instructions, and then also if you look at this list here, you can click anywhere on this list, and it will open up your portal into Karbon on our side. Okay. So before you do that, you're going to have to enter in, set up and create a PIN number though. I've already done it on this computer. You do it once and it'll remember your PIN number for your user account, and whether you use your mobile phone or a computer, just enter that same PIN number and then you're good to go. Okay, so right away I see I have two things that I need to answer for Stefan. Looks like they need a PDF statement and they need questions answered in zero. Okay, so from here I can go ahead and add a comment. This is done, and just click on add comment, and that leaves a comment on that. And if I'm done with this and I don't need to do anything else, then I can just click that checkbox and it checks it off. Okay, and for this one, they need questions answered in zero. Probably should have done that on the last one, but I'll just say this is done. Add a comment, and I can close that and close that up. And on this one, I'm not quite done. I need a PDF statement on that, so I'll go ahead and upload a PDF statement. And you can click on upload file and choose a PDF from your computer and click upload, and then that's done as well. Okay, so don't forget when you're done to check these off. When they're checked off, or if you leave a comment, or if they're not done, you need to leave a comment and have more questions, just leave a comment on here. On our end, we'll get alerted and we'll answer those comments right away, so we can keep the flow going. Okay. Other than that, that's about it. You may get, let's say, more than one set of questions from us on one particular job or not. Just bear with us. We try to make it as easy as possible for you. And we're really hoping that working with this new job management system will allow us to be more efficient with you and ultimately get things done quicker, so you can get financial reports that are useful to you for timely decision making in your business. Okay. If any questions, feel free to leave a comment or let us know. Otherwise, we'll see you soon. Thanks.